Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Cedro Finance. This is a step-by-step airdrop tutorial, and this project is for free, the testnet right now, so you are not going to spend any money on transactions. This is an Omnichain lending and borrowing platform on layer 0. And this project works in 3 different testnet chains, so we are going to cover everything like always in my videos step by step. So you are going to find this information in a post of my website that I will put the link on the description, where you are going to have the steps and the links for everything that I cover in each video. And like always guys, remember that I have my airdrop organizer that you can download for free. The link is in the description. And here you have all the links for the different videos that I did for airdrops. Most of them are still available, so you can do all of them. And you will find here the spreadsheet with the information on the step by step and my video. So you are going to be able to do this very easy. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Well guys, like I said, Cedro Finance is a protocol, an omnichain for lending and borrowing money. We are already familiar with this kind of project, and in this bear market there are many projects appearing like in the DeFi ecosystem. So this project just launched the testnet 1.0. This was the 28th of November, so just 3 days ago. You can see that they put here on the tweet that you can read more about the testnet incentivized details. When usually they put testnet incentivized, that means that it's going to be an airdrop of the token when they launch the token. And of course, like many of the projects that we are doing right now, and you can check that on the organizer, many of those projects are going to launch probably in Q1 2023. So doing all this work, we probably are going to get a lot of tokens on Q1 if you follow all my different videos about the airdrops. And the same is going to be with Cedro Finance. So like I say, the token incentivized testnet for me is sure already. So for my perspective, it's confirmed. And now let's go to the step by step on how to do and get this airdrop. Right now it's like a trend that many of these projects are going to have some quests to do using Crew 3. So you can go to this link and there you are going to be able to complete the quest that we are going to check. 10 users are going to be selected randomly who complete the testing quest, will be rewarded $20 each. And of course guys, this is not for why we do this airdrop. This is just a bonus that maybe you get this $20 or this 25 for 10 users with the most valuable feedback that will be rewarded with $25 each. But that is a plus. I am expecting more money with this airdrop. So this competition will open on November 28th until December 26th. So it's 1 month only. And like you are going to be able, there's not many people yet there. I think they are going to do a little more marketing for this airdrop, but I think still we are in a good position for this airdrop. So step 1 is go to Cedro Finance Crew 3, and here guys, this is the usual stuff. You have your quest, your leaderboard with the information of the people that has more XP, which is the experience points here, and notifications. So in quest, you can see follow us every day, visit our community in Crew 3 every day, and claim experience reward. This is 10 XP, so you just click here and claim it 1 per day. That's going to give you 10 XP. Then you can join on the Telegram, like, reply, and tweet. So this is our social network engagements. Then you have the testnet. This is a Cedro testnet proof. This gives you 500 experience points, so I recommend you to do it. It's not that difficult. You can check here that basically after you use the platform, you are going to have a screenshot of your transaction history and you are going to paste it, upload it here in order to claim that reward. But here you have the link for doing all that. Then you have some Cedro tasks. You can do memes or emojis and also some Cedro community, some refers for friends or 10 friends, you are going to have experience point too. So these are the quests. There are not many quests, so I think that is cool. Some projects have been already abusing of the community from my perspective with hundreds of quests. So I think this is okay. After doing the quests, we have this testing quest, which is going to the app of Cedro and perform all the transactions types: deposit, borrow, repay, withdraw. You need to do everything there. So we go to the website first at cedro.finance, and from here we can launch the application. This is a multi-chain project, Omnichain, so you can connect with 3 different networks. These are Phantom Testnet, Avalanche Testnet on Mumbai, which is the root chain, and this is the Polygon Testnet. So if you don't have this installed, you can go to chainlist.org and install this in your MetaMask. If not, when you click one of them, probably it's going to pop up to add it to your MetaMask. So I will start with Avalanche Testnet here. So I will switch from Ethereum to the Avalanche Testnet. You can see that if you don't have it, it's going to add it automatically here. This is Avalanche Fushi C chain. So I click approve and add it to your MetaMask. Once you are here, you can click this button, get test tokens. And here you need to pay attention. Here you first add these tokens to your wallet, so you have it in your testnet Avalanche token. This is test AVAX, so add that token and add the test USDC. Once you add it, then you can get the token for free, so click there. You will need to pay gas fees on AVAX tokens. So if you don't have AVAX tokens, you go down here where it says test token gas. And you can go to this AVAX faucet and get there the tokens first for AVAX. If you don't have AVAX testnet tokens, first do this, go to the faucet, and after that you can get these 1000 testnet tokens, the test AVAX, and the same for the test USDC. You click there and you are paying transactions here with the fake AVAX tokens. So doing this, you're going to have the Avalanche testnet tokens already. You can get 1000 per day per address. You can see that it's saying that here. You can scroll down and you can do the same with the Phantom testnet. So do that with this Phantom. So you change here from Avalanche testnet to Phantom testnet and get your tokens there also. And you can do the same with Mumbai, getting your C AVAX or DAPP AVAX, C USDC, DAPP USDC, CFTM and DAPP and FTM all in Mumbai. So also add these tokens there. Even if you cannot get free tokens there, add it to your MetaMask on the Polygon Testnet Mumbai. So do all these guys so you can interact easily. And also you have the faucet here for Polygon Mumbai and for Phantom Testnet. So everything is here on this pop-up in the test tokens. So once you have everything there, then you need to interact with the application. If you have any doubts of how to interact, I will put also the link on the post of the documentation. This is the official Cedro Finance. So you are going to see here how to deposit. Basically, it's telling me that get the faucet and everything like I am already telling you. How to borrow, how to repay, and how to withdraw. So you have here how to use the application in these 4 links that are going to be in the post of my website. But let's do at least the deposit first so you can see it. So once I have some of the tests there, I go to market, and here in Phantom Testnet I will change to Avalanche Testnet, which is the one that I am connected right now. I will click on detail on test AVAX, and here I will click supply, which is going to ask me to enable that first. So click enable, confirm the transaction there. And after that, you can click on supply and you are going to have this pop-up. Here it's not super intuitive. So here you need to put the values yourself. So remove that. So you can put 150 on value on testnet tokens. You put the value here. You can see here the balance that you have in your wallet. So if you check your wallet, you are going to see that I have these testnet tokens, test AVAX and test USDC that I get from clicking there. So from here, click on supply, again confirm the transaction in progress, and you can see this takes time. This transaction is expected to take 8 minutes. In the meantime, click here to see the tax ID, the transaction hash here, so the status is success. So you can see here on the Explorer, on the Airdrop Testnet Network Explorer, the transaction and how it's doing it. So that's it for the deposit part. The rest of the things, I had a little issues with the borrowing, but anyways guys, I will put the link so you can do it yourself. You just go to the information here on Cedro Finance on how to use, and there is explained with a screenshot of everything. If you have any doubt here guys, go to the Discord channel. That is also part of what you need to do. So after you do transactions, then take a screenshot of the page and post it here. One of these Cedro Finance Crew 3 quests is one that I mentioned. You need to take a screenshot of your history. So you go to dashboard and you go to transaction history, and you can see I have only one pending here. So after you do all deposit, withdraw, borrow, etc., take a screenshot, and then you are going to be able to put that here on this testnet. You are going to be able to put that here. You click here and you will be able to upload it. That way you are going to get this 500 XP experience points. And fourth, you have the feedback quest. This is a quest. Please use our protocol and share your feedback in the feedback channel in the Discord. And here I put the link for the Discord too. So here you have in the chat the feedbacks. So again, many people here is posting the transaction history, like I mentioned, with what they did in order to get these 500 points. You also can put some comments like this user. So try to engage here with the community so you have more possibilities. And the official document of how to do everything guys, I'm going to post it here also on the post of my website. This is the official link for where I get all the information of this airdrop, because they posted the official information also. It's the same that I share in this video. So guys, very easy. I really like it that they have this, the get test token, because sometimes we really have problems to get the faucet of the different networks or the test tokens that we need for testing. So I really like this, and for my perspective that worked. I still have some issues on the borrowing part, but I think that is common for everyone. So if something is not working for you, just please go to the Discord and put your questions in the general chat. So guys, that is all for this video of Cedro Finance. Step by step, it's free to do, and this is an airdrop confirmed that probably in Q1 we are going to receive this distribution after they launch on mainnet. That will be all. Remember to follow me at CryptoZstate in Twitter, where I post different things or more things about different airdrops. And all the updates of the past airdrops, you're going to find it also in Twitter when I post something there. And remember to go to the link on the description of the airdrop organizer, so you can have this updated right now with all the information and status of the different airdrops that we have been doing. And like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.